That when you're screaming for a hand, nobody's listening. This is far from the end. You're gonna be back for more. This is far from the end. You're gonna be back for more.
Hello everyone, it's me again. Sneezy, and for today's video, I am going to create an inspired look with the series Euphoria. You guys, I am so obsessed with that series. If you haven't watched it, watch nyo na. Maganda siya, as in. But today, I'm going to be recreating Maddy's look. She's my fave. Actually, yung outfit doon, yung makeup, I'm all for it. Ang ganda ng makeup and fashion nila doon. Yung may mga gems and everything. So, yeah, let's begin. And also, in today's video, puro perfect diary po ulit tayo. Yes! I am so happy. Sobrang daming lippies dito and mga bagong products. So, if you guys are interested to know more about it, then please just keep on watching. Alright. This is their Cardcaptor Sakura charm set. OMG, the packaging itself. Hello! Okay, so when you open it, ang taray, di ba? Yan! Sakura! Yan, meron lang din siyang stickers. Look how pretty! Lahat siya pink, di ba? This is limited edition. And meron siyang kasamang earrings. Muna tayo sa powder kasi meron na akong foundation and eyebrows. Kasi nagustuhan ko yung blurring powder nila. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng packaging. Parang pwede ko siyang maging weapon. Charot. Nagamit na lang ako ng brush. And we'll see. Meron siyang naka-engrave na stars, moon, wings. Ayan siya. Medyo oily. Let's see. Medyo powdery siya. So, ayan. Hindi mo nga siya mahahalatang parang textured yung skin mo. Medyo na-emphasize lang yung mga fine lines ko. But yeah, overall, hindi naman ganun ka, alam mo yan, makikitang textured yung skin, which I like. Gusto ko na mga ganun, yung parang selfie-ready. Meron din pala tayo ditong mga makeup brushes. It looks like this, diba? Puro pink. And try natin siyang gamitin. Oh. This is how it looks. Ang ganda niya. White and pink yung color ng brush. I like it so much. Ang ganda niya. Super girly. Ang lambot ng brush niya, in fairness. Palette. This is all-in-one. Super stoked about it. Dahil Perfect Diary never disappoints with their packaging, performance, colors, OMG. Ayan, doon na tayo sa blush. So, may naka-engrave lang siyang, alam mo yun, yung stick. Yan, gamit lang ako ng stippling brush. Very powdery siya. Meron na siyang kasamang glow. And very pigmented siya. Kita agad yung color. Okay, so let's proceed with the eyeshadow. So, ang peg ko is here. For sure, gagamit lang tayo ng glitters. And mag-eyeliner ako ng pink. Damn, glitters! Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm going to be using this all over my lids. As always, maganda yung eyeshadows nila. And then, I'm going to be using this, yung glitters. Oh my god, and all over my lids din ulit. Super nice! Ang ganda! Yung Euphoria kasi, mahilig sila sa glitters. As in, glitters kong glitters. And sa mga gems na eye makeup look. So, yun. Shiny, shimmering, splendid. Okay, so ito yung Golden Glamour. It's like velvet lipstick nila. So, mamaya, magda-dive in tayo dyan ng bonggang-bongga. I'm gonna swatch all of the shades. But for now, I'm going to be using the shade V11 kasi on the pinker tone siya and medyo pink din kasi yung eyeshadow natin. Gagawin ko siyang eyeliner. Yes. Nilagyan ko lang din yung lower lash line. Ayan, na-curl ko na yung lashes ko. Meron ditong mascara, which is yung wide angle overcurl lengthening mascara in black and brown. This is how it looks like. Very sleek, very classy yung packaging niya. And para siyang glass. In fairness, ang bigat. Ang ganda! Of course, ang gagamitin ko ngayon is yung black. So, ito siya. Ang ganda! Very luxurious. Ang ganda ng wand. Damn! Ganda! Ayan, ito yung before and then ito yung after. Sumaba yung dashes ko. Ayan o, and mas kupapal. Wow, parang ako naka-falsies. Kita nyo ba? I'm done na with my mascara and look! Grabe! Pinakapal niya ng sobra yung lashes ko. Hyper curl na rin siya kasi ito kanina parang ang baba nung pagka-curl. I highly recommend this mascara. Now, maglalagay na ako ng mga gems. Kasi done na ako with my eye makeup. Very simple lang. So, ayan, maglalagay na tayo ng highlighter. So, I'm going to be using this one. Ayan, gagamitin ko yung tong brush. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya ka-blinding. Although, meron naman ng glow yung blush. Dagdagan pa natin. Tamang glow lang siya. Now, doon na tayo sa lippy. Ito yung kasama nung Sakura. So, this is in the shade 009. Smells good. Bango. So, ito yung lippy. Maganda yung shade niya in fairness. Para siyang nasa peachy na nude. My favorite part, which is yung lippies. This is their Glamour Select Velvet Liquid Lipstick. And yung packaging. And when you open it, magnet siya, magnet. Ah! Ayan! Ang ganda, diba? Perfect din siya pang gift. Ito siya, velvet siya, pati mismong bottle. Ang bango, amoy vanilla. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng parang overview doon sa mga colors ng lippies, ayan siya. So, let's see kapag na-apply na siya sa lips ko. Okay, now let's proceed with the swatches. 3, 2, 1.
Set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me.
So, ito na lahat ng lippies. Ayan na siya. Ni-swatch ko na dito. Ay, wow. Tabingi. Actually, maganda lahat ng shades. Especially itong nauna. Perfect for everyday. Tapos ito, favorite ko to. Kasi ito yung pinaka-darkest shade. Tapos parang nasa brown siya. And what I really like about it is meron siyang glitters, like mga gold glitters. Perfect siya sa look ko right now na very glowy, very glittery. Meron din dito ang mga single shadows, pero yung isang shade lang siya and meron ako nito. Ito lang din siya, yung Q01. Sobrang cute tong single shadows nila and very pigmented. Meron din ako ditong mga powder, loose powder. So, ito yung Weightless Soft Velvet Blurring Loose Powder nila in collaboration with Sanrio. Ito si Cinnamoroll, si Pom Pom Purin, and of course, Gudetama. Ang cute. Chan! Ang cute, no? Yung original, meron ako nun. And same lang sila ng packaging. Meron lang no character dito. Ito yung shade na number 3. Parang medyo ano siya, skin tone yung color. And then meron din kasamang brush. Ang Ang ganda ng brush nila. Sobrang lambot. And ito naman, gold lang. Gusto kong matry ito kasi iba yung color niya. Yung akin kasi, yung original, translucent siya. Parang white. And si Cinnamon Roll. Ang cute. So, ayan. Ang cute, diba? So, ito lang din siya. This one yung translucent. Perfect pang gift. And lastly, itong si Pomporin. I'm so obsessed. Ang cute niya. Pang display. Parang medyo skin lang din siya. Parang ma-pinkish. Yung gusto ko sa collection na to is itong palette. And yung, of course, the lippies. Itong palette kasi, come on. Diba, kompleto na siya. And ang gaganda nung shades. Ang everyday talaga siya. Neutrals and then, of course, may glitters. Meron na rin siyang blush and highlighter. And syempre, itong mascara, you guys. Ang ganda ng mascara nila. As in, pinapahaba yung pilik mata ko and pinapakapal niya. Hindi siya nag-smudge, as you can see. Hindi rin siya clumpy. And I highly recommend you guys to try this. Very easy to apply. Maganda yung wand. So, yan. Meron siyang brown and black. And yep, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys would enjoy watching this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and join the hashtag GucciFam in my god, please. And yep, I'll catch you guys again on my next one. Bye! Bye guys.
It's the things I